Hi, this is Paul Thompson with Clemson Extension Service, and we're down here in the Chester Garden on a rather cool June day, and it is time to dig potatoes. You can see this potato patch, as I had described earlier. Once they start really looking bad and turning yellow, turning brown, you know it's time to dig the potatoes. Been working on this bed, got some potatoes coming out of the ground. Of course, in this case, we got some really easy to work soil. They're pulling the potatoes out just with their hands. Got a nice group started here. These are the Pontiac red potatoes primarily, although there are little finger potatoes that were mixed in with them. But anyway, potatoes can produce a lot with not a lot of effort, and so think about planting some this coming spring, along about February, early March, and leave them in the ground about three and a half months, and then they're ready for harvest.